We've had some interesting weather this year. We had a great storm that came in the month of December that gave us a lot of really good rain. Off streams were flowing nicely and the hills were weeping. The plants were still in dormancy. The weather was nice and cool. We didn't have a lot of frost per se. We had a couple mornings with some frosty windshields and some ice around the ranch, but December ended up being a really good rainy month for us. January came through with the no rainfall whatsoever in the month of January, and that was kind of a historical moment for us. The plants, the grapevines actually, they didn't wake up, but it definitely is kind of a trigger for them when the ground warms up and the atmospheric temperature warms up, where they can actually break dormancy and begin their growing cycle, which would be unfortunate for us if that was the case. Luckily that didn't happen. Currently, we're in the month of February, and we just had another great storm that came through this last weekend, and we were just around 10 inches total. We're still currently in a drought situation. We are at average rainfall currently to date, but that doesn't necessarily mean that we're done with the season. We would also like a lot more rain if possible. We'd like to get up in that 30 to 40 inches per year in this region. Currently, pruning is where we want it to be. We're on track with that. The reservoirs are nice and full and topped up, which is really critical for us as well, and the soil moisture is where we're at to start the season. Rain on and off, it would be really good for us to keep the reservoirs topped up, but we also don't want the whole month of February to be a rainy month, because then we can't prune and then we'll be behind with our pruning schedule.